Hi guys, my name is Emily. Welcome back to Junk Journal Inspirations. If this is your first time here, a huge welcome to you and thank you so much for checking out my channel. So I am catching up, or I did catch up, on weeks 5 and 6 of the Simply Random Ephemera Challenge. I missed those weeks because I was sick, so I went ahead and I just made, I made the items, and I'm just going to share those with you as opposed to doing, as opposed to uploading process videos for those 2 weeks. So I believe I have these in order. Sorry if I don't. I think this is week 5. And the prompts for this week were something tied, letters and numbers, silver, a greeting card, spring as in the season, and cardboard. So what I did is I took a greeting card that was actually, this was sent to my grandpa just about 5 months before he passed away, and it had a lovely note inside, but I just wanted the front part of the card. And these, I believe these were my grandpa's favorite flower. I could be wrong, and I can't even pronounce the name of the flower, but I think it's these. So I apologize. I'm not going to try and say it because it's just not going to come out right. Anyway, I just thought this card was beautiful with the pinks and the browns and everything, and I just thought it would work well. And I just took the front off of the card. I backed it with this beautiful doily coffee dyed paper that I'm pretty sure came from my dear friend Dee Dee. Hi Dee Dee. But I just lose track over time, but isn't it gorgeous? I just love it. I'm using it in another project and I had it on my desk, so I just used that. Sewed around the whole thing, just, to secure the back part. Here's my cardboard piece right here. And I layered that with this piece, and this piece here are some of the scrap paper that I got in my package from Teperlogy. I'm gonna say it like that. I hope that's correct. You can find a link to their website and also a discount code for 15% off in the description box below. So check that out if you want. I just layered those up. I grunged up the edges with ground espresso distress ink. I added this little Tim Holtz piece here for my number. And then this is a little Tim Holtz chipboard letter piece. And I chose G for Grandpa. So this is just oh, here's my little tied bow up here at the top. So I love this. I think because I had my grandpa in mind while I was making it, and he is one of my favorite people that ever lived. So I miss him terribly, and he's been gone since 2009, and it feels like it was just yesterday. So yeah, so that is my week 5, I believe. And then this is week 6. And I had so much fun making this one. I kept it a little more simple, but I'll remind you of the prompts. So we had tulle, the color purple, something folded, about me, a file folder, and a napkin. So what I did was, obviously it's all purple, so that's taken care of. You have a little tulle. I took a really light piece of purple and a darker piece of purple, and I just kind of tied it in a knot, and I just glued that to the top. My napkin is covering the whole front of this piece with the gorgeous bees and the violets, and I just love it. And then my file folder is the whole piece. I just cut off a piece of file folder, left it folded, so it's folded, and then sewed around this a little bit, inked around the edges with Dusty Concord Distress Oxide. And then let's see, what else did I do? On the inside, these are pieces that I fussy cut out of an Edith Holden craft book. It had just some images and then a whole bunch of like sewing patterns and things like that. So I just cut out the images. And I just glued them on here. So you've got the purple flower and the bee, and it just kind of ties everything in together. So we've got file folder, napkin, tulle, purple folded. About me, my favorite color is purple, so that was easy. That kind of took care of itself. I also adore anything that has to do with bees. So this just kind of, the whole thing was about me. I also love crafting. So yeah, it kind of says some things about me. So that is week 6. No, 7. Wait, no, 6. I did 7 last week. Oh my goodness. All right. So then for week 8, I'm going to remind you of the prompts. I will show you, I've already made my item, but I did film it. So I'm just going to share it with you real quick. And then I will speed up the process video part if you want to see how I made it. I'll just set it to some music and you can check it out if you're interested. So we had postage stamps, grunged up, Scrabble tile, straight pin, summer, and the color brown. So what I did was this little tag. So it's just a very grungy summer tag. And I think this paper also came from Dee Dee. It's got this gorgeous rose print on it. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, I'm not going to go into it too much because you can watch the process, but basically I created this. So here's my postage stamp. I used a Tim Holtz memo pin as my straight pin. This is my Scrabble tile. It's actually blank and I stamped on it. And then what else? Summer, that's the theme with the strawberries and the jar and the butterflies. It just screamed summer. Brown, the paper is brown. I used brown ink. It's obviously grungy. And then my postage stamp from Ghana. Isn't that beautiful with the butterfly on it? So yeah, I will go ahead and attach the process video here if you'd like to see how I did this. And then you can also find any product links in the description box below. And I think that's it. I hope you'll stick with me here and watch how I put this together. And I will be back probably not until you'll see the video on Sunday with the week 9 prompts. Because I have a lot going on this week and I'm probably not going to get much more filming done. So that being said, I hope you have a fabulous day and a wonderful rest of your week, and stay safe and healthy, and enjoy the warming up weather, I think. I don't know, it got really cold here again, and now today it's like 75 and my sinuses cannot handle it. So I just wanted to either just figure it out. Just figure it out, for goodness sake. So I hope that you're enjoying spring where you are. If you're in the northern hemisphere, if you're in the southern hemisphere, you're getting ready for like fall and winter, and I'm really sorry. I don't like winter. But yeah, all right, guys. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day and take care. Bye.